this tutorial, I want to walk you through the new feature that I'm calling a simple guided setup. If you used the previous tutorial, the chances are you have gone into Bluetooth diagnostics and you saw event map was empty. So you clicked on that and you chose correct automatically, which has given you the default event mapping that I personally use. The problem is it's going to work, but it is a very complicated event map, and that's very personalized to my own use. It uses banks, it uses the layout that I'm comfortable with my micro here, and the chances are it's not going to be what you want, and it's probably a more power user type layout. So you will want to start simple. Maybe you don't even have a micro like this, and you're just working with a very simple device that has one or two buttons, so you're only interested in having a next page and previous page buttons. So with this new feature, what you're going to be able to do is, as I've shown you here, if you go under Diagnostics Event Map, if you have something already, now you have the option to delete the mapping. Now we have gotten rid of the previous default mapping, but what you can now do is if you go back there, Diagnostics, Event Map, now you will see Simple Guided Setup as an option. You can also see that option under Network Bluetooth Event Map Editor. There will be Guided Simple Setup there. The way this works is it's going to ask you to press the button on your Bluetooth device, and whatever Bluetooth button that you have pressed on is going to be mapped to an action of your choice. So no need to figure out which event your controller is sending with what button. It's all going to be automated and orchestrated through this new pipeline. One thing you have to ensure though is, well, let's make sure that our device is of course connected. My Bluetooth, let's turn this on. And then, well, my device just connected automatically, but you haven't connected it, go ahead and connect to device so that you are ensured and you're connected. And you have to manually turn on the, well, not turn on, but refresh device input. This will also tell you if your device has been opened properly, and you will be all set. Now I can go into Network, Bluetooth, Event Map Editor, and Guided Simple Setup. As you can tell, it's going to ask me to press a button. The second I press on it, it's going to tell me, okay, I detected your button press. That's code 115 for volume up. I want to map that to next page. It's going to ask me, do you have any other buttons? Well, I do have a physical button here, but I know for sure that it maps, it sends the same item. So I, in practice, have just one button. So I'm going to say finish setup. I have this mapping. I click save. And now my controller is configured. That's a much easier way of making the setup. Now let's do the micro here. I'm going to turn this device off, move it aside, and then turn my 8-bit do micro into a device that I can use here. Again, I'm going to start by going into Bluetooth. Well, actually, you know what? Let's start by turning off Bluetooth, just so that we're starting from a clean slate. Bluetooth diagnostics. I want to go into my event map and then delete this event mapping. All right. So now I want to go under network, Bluetooth, turn it back on. Go into network, Bluetooth device management. I can start scanning. After my scan is done, oops, not interested in the picture. Work Bluetooth, device management, select from scanned devices. I should see my micro here. That's the one. All right. Device is saved. Now I want to go in and connect. Let's see that this blinking stops. There we go. And I would like to refresh the device input. There we go. Match by Bluetooth device name. This is also a new feature. We are now ensuring that the event you're subscribing to is ensured be the Bluetooth device. So no more hard-coded event. This should work with hopefully more devices. So anyway, let's go under Bluetooth event map editor and guided simple setup. Now I'm going to press these buttons one by one. Have one more button. Let's do this. It's going to be my previous page. Add more. Let's say font size. Add more. Decrease font size. I may have gone in a different order than ideal. And let's do this as well. And let's make that night mode. There we go. 5 buttons. I'm going to finish my setup. I'm going to hit save. And now these buttons should be working exactly as I intended. There we go. With that setup, hopefully it is going to be much easier for those who don't want to deal with the Bluetooth command line interfaces and figuring out of the events. Let me know what you think about this. And if you have any questions on the core comments, please respond in the forum.